In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an app-specific password for iCloud Mail. This is the special password you use in email apps like Outlook, Thunderbird, or Windows Mail when they can't handle Apple's two-factor authentication. It keeps your main Apple ID password secure while still letting the app access your iCloud Mail. Before you begin, make sure two-factor authentication is turned on for your Apple ID. This is required for app-specific passwords. If you're not sure, you can check in your Apple ID settings on your device or online. If it's off, turn it on first and complete the setup so you can receive verification codes. Next, open a browser and go to appleid.apple.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Because two-factor authentication is enabled, you'll be prompted to verify your identity with a code sent to a trusted device. Enter that code to continue to your account page. Once you're in the Apple account page, look for the Sign In and Security section. In there, find app-specific passwords and select Generate Password. This is where you'll create the password that a third-party mail app will use instead of your normal Apple ID password. You'll be asked to enter a label for the password. Use a clear, memorable name like Outlook, Thunderbird, or Windows Mail so you'll know later which app is using it. Then select Create or Generate. Labeling well makes it easier to manage or remove access for a single app without affecting others. Apple will now display a unique 16-character password, typically shown in groups like ABCD, EFG, IJKL, MNOP. Copy it right away. This is the only time you'll see it. Consider pasting it into your app immediately or saving it securely in your password manager so you don't lose it. Now, open the Mail app you want to use. When you're setting up iCloud Mail, use your full iCloud email address as the username. For the password, paste the app-specific password you just generated. Do not use your regular Apple ID password here. If the app was already set up and is asking for a password again, replace the old one with this new app-specific password. A few important rules to keep in mind. You can have up to 25 app-specific passwords at a time. If you change your Apple ID password, all existing app-specific passwords are automatically reset, and you'll need to generate new ones for each app. And it's best practice to give each app its own unique password for better control and security. That's it. You've generated and used an iCloud app-specific password safely and correctly.